Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, power seat, dual, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2019 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.